In this video, I'll show you how to add an Order Now button to a Facebook post step by step. It's important to know that Facebook doesn't currently let you attach a clickable Order Now button directly to a regular post. However, if you have a Facebook page, you can add an Order Now action button to your page or include a link to your ordering website in your post. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to the account that manages your Facebook page. Tap the menu icon, then switch to your page if needed. To add an Order Now button to your page, go to Edit Action Button or Page Settings, depending on your app version, and choose Order Now if the option is available. Follow the prompts to connect your ordering website or supported ordering service. Then save your changes. Next, create a new Facebook post by tapping Create Post. Add your caption, photos, or video, and include the link where customers can place an order. Review your post carefully, then tap Post or Publish to share it with your audience. Visitors can use the Order Now button on your page or the link in your post to place an order. Keep in mind that available action buttons and integrations may vary depending on your page category, region, and app version. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.